Guys, here we go. This is number 10, premium full-size helmet. Last one in the series. Tomorrow we'll have the new series. Ryan Hill 2, Terry 4, Marone 2, Keith 2, Rick 1, Derek White 2, Dan Krebs 4, Jared 1, Mayo 1, Terry D with 4, Brian G 5, and Joe Bats with 4. Okay. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Chilling, man. Just chilling. Chilling. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Keith. Chief Keith's on top, Terry D's on the bottom, 5 times. Okay. Alright, Brian, Bengals, Broncos, Jags, Raiders, Vikes, Krebs, Bills, Cowboys, Giants, Steelers, White, Packers, Saints, Jared, Panthers, Bats, Ravens, Texans, Patriots, Titans, Marone, Bears, Chiefs, Keith, Cardinals, Browns, Rick, Rams, Mayo, Falcons, Hill, Eagles, Seahawks, Terry, Lions, Colts, Chargers, Dolphins, Jets, Niners, Bucks, and Redskins. Alright, any trades, let me know. Send it. Yep, Jesse, there's 5 spots. I'll get you 5 spots real quick. Jesse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, number 10. Premium full-size helmet box, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Last one in the series, guys, tomorrow. It's only a day away. Premium full-size series, I don't know, 6 maybe, 7. They go quick. Number 9. Full-size series go quick. Alright, let's cut it up. Cut it up. Thank you, sir. Alright, Leighton Vander Esch 55. WPP 442859. WPP 442859. Alright, very good. Always good pulls, man. Nice speed rep. Last one, guys. Next series. I'll show you some heaters in the next one. Some heaters, some heaters. Okay. Alright, for Dallas, let's see who has Dallas. Not seeing Dallas. Alright, let me regroup guys. Dallas. Alright, Dan Krebs. Alright, Dan Krebs, there you go. You got the landing rights. Dallas Cowboys lid there. Okay. Alright, 5 times top spot, free spot in the bonus break. Number 10. Alright, once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Brian G. Alright, Brian G, free spot. Number 10, premium full size rep. Gotta rep your set. Alright, there you go. Alright, number 10, premium full size helmet. Okay. Alright guys, up next, premium pack every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the Facebook group if you have not already, and be sure to check us out on Instagram, P-SPORTSCARDS24. Alright guys, thank you very much. Have a good one.